Ruhonge rwa motungata ma urigitani ni rumwe rwa honge cia thirikari iria ikoretwo igomeirwo ni wagagu ica-ini ikuhi kumana na migomo kirumaniririo ya arigitani ona atungati a arwaru oro undu umwe na wagi wa njanjo cia ciana. Mwaka-ini uyu wa kigina ruhonge ruru ruigiirwo ciringi birioni 127 hari mbeca ici ciringi birioni 3.7 ciigirwo arutwo aria marikia mathomo ma urigitani mirioni 406 iri cia kurugamirira mathomo ma arigitani.
These include the Kenya shillings 4.2 billion for universal healthcare coverage, coordination and management unit, Kenya shillings 2 billion for free maternity healthcare, Kenya shillings 3.6 billion for managed equipment services.
Guteithiriria gutwarithia na mbere mutaratara wa kuhurana na murimu wa HIV, murimu wa malaria ona TB, ciringi birioni 28.7 nicio cigitwo keheri-ini. Uguri ona uheani wa njanjo ukigathikirwo ciringi birioni 4.6, mbeca iria ciekiritwo riri bururi ukoretwo ugomeirwo ni unyihu wa njanjo cia ciana. Gukinyaniria motungata ma kugia ciana mekirirwo ciringi birioni 2 riri ciana cia ndigwa, akuru ona aria mari na wathe matanyitwo kugunika na marihi ma insurance maria maigirwo ciringi mirioni 861.
For Kenyatta National Hospital and Moi Teaching and Referral Hospitals, this include 2.6 billion for the construction of Kenyatta National Hospital Burns and Pediatric Center. I've also proposed Kenya shillings 5.2 billion for the Kenya Medical Supplies Agency, Kenya shillings 2.5 billion for the Kenya Medical Research Institute, Kenya shillings 1 billion for procurement of family planning and reproductive health commodities.
Oho kwagirithia motungata ma atungati a arwaru matura-ini ciringi birioni 4.1 nicio matanyirwo, guku ciringi birioni 4.6 igitanywo cia kugura macini cia guteithiriria atungati aya mihango-ini yao.
The government is committed and determined to realize the constitutional right to health by promoting access to quality and affordable healthcare through universal healthcare coverage program.
Ciringi birioni 2 nicio cigirwo ruhonge rwa kung'ethanira na mogwati ma hinahi, ingi birioni 1.1 igitanywo guteithiriria kuhuthia murigo wa kurigita murimu wa cancer.
I have proposed an allocation of Kenya shillings 1.1 billion to strengthen cancer management in Kenyatta National Hospital and Kisii Level 5 hospitals. I have also proposed Kenya shillings 2 billion to the Emergencies, Chronic and Critical Illness Fund.
Maya no mamwe ma motungata maria magairwo kigina kuma hari ciringi birioni 127 iria igairwo ruhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ mwaka-ini uyu. Kigina giki gikinyihio kuma ciringi birioni 138 iria ciahetwo ruhonge ruru bajeti-ini ya mwaka muhituku. Girifo Tera Inoro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.